This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Gonzalez. Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Great starter home or investment property. This home was previously a long-term rental and well taken care of but needs some TLC. The property features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in sought-after Westland Creek Village / Bridgewater. The home has a brand new roof and the AC was replaced in June 2018. The property is being sold as is. Schedule a showing to see it today. For more information, review the details below.